Hello.
One thing I was
What's your
trying
name?
to
My name Mama A.
Model A, I'm Scion.
Beep, beep.
I,
Car of the future.
Beep, beep.
Where are you from?
Me up no.
Up north. Well, that explains a lot. Like the fact that you don't have a roof.
Beep, 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 beep,
I'd rather be down south with no roof than up north.
What are you doing when it snows out?
beep, beep.
You change into a truck?
Yeah.
That's quite the magic trick.
Hey.
Hello.
Yeah.
Yes, that's a nice trunk. And color red.
Look, really like what?
Yes, can I get a paint job like that?
Yeah.
Where? Is it really secretive?
Yep.
Alright, I won't tell anyone.
No. I don't
And
know.
make sure no one's following me when I go there.
Yeah. Yeah.
Shh. There, now we're matching. Thanks, Red Truck.
Hey. Bye.
Goodbye.